Recently, I asked ChatGPT to help me make money online with affiliate marketing and free traffic. I gave ChatGPT this very simple prompt, and the end result was unbelievable. I started to make hundreds of dollars every single day, and one of the highest days that I had was over $630 in affiliate marketing commissions. And the best part is all this was done with 100% free traffic, and you don't need any followers to get started. On top of that, I'm going to show you where you can go to get all this search volume again and again. This is free traffic that you can get as a complete beginner to make money with affiliate marketing. Now we're going to get started straight away. Step one in this, what you want to do is you want to come over to ClickBank to find yourself an affiliate offer. Once you sign up to ClickBank, what you want to do is you want to go up to the top to Marketplace, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to click onto top offers. Once you do that, it's going to bring up a range of different products, and you can see here that some of these products will pay you as much as $144 on average every single time somebody purchases this product. Okay, now you can scroll down and you can find a whole heap of products. Some of them will pay you $155, $163. This is actually a really good product. What we're going to do is we're going to go with the top offer. We're going to go with Java Burn, because at the moment that is paying $144 on average. So what we need to do is we need to get this affiliate link. In order to do that, you want to click on to promote, and then this is where you want to enter your affiliate nickname. And once you've done that, you will be able to see that down here, this is your affiliate link that you're going to use to promote this product. So you want to copy that. Now the product that we are promoting itself is this one over here called Java Burn. Now if you click onto this, you're going to be able to see that this is a coffee drink that promotes weight loss. And this is a product that, like I said, converts really, really well. Utilizing a simple drink with weight loss, you know this is going to convert. And what a lot of people do when they see this product out there on the market, they're going to go over to Google and they're going to search for Java Burn to see whether or not this product is legitimate. And this is how we are going to pick up all these views utilizing free traffic and, like I said, 0 followers to make money promoting this affiliate marketing product. Now, before I show you one crucial thing with this strategy, what I want to do is just ask you, how much money have you made with ClickBank or with affiliate marketing? Go down the bottom right now and comment. Let me know how much money have you made with affiliate marketing and how much money do you need to make every single week. That way I know what videos I want to make. And if you're enjoying this content, make sure you smash that like button if you want to see more ClickBank affiliate marketing videos, and I'll create more. So go down the bottom, like this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I've got some more awesome content coming your way. Very simple strategies just like this. So what we now know is that we have a product called Java Burn, and what we need to do is find out how we are going to pick up all this search traffic. Well, the first thing that we need to do is we need to come over to this website. It's called WordStream. Now, this is a free keyword tool that's going to show us how often people are searching for the word Java Burn. All you need to do is type in Java Burn, come over here and click on to search. Now we're only going to search United States at the moment. So once you click on to search, you can see here that this website is now going to search for this. Now we can see that Java Burn alone is searched over 33,000 times on Google every single month. You can scroll down, you can see that Java Burn reviews is searched 9,900 times. And what we're able to see is that there is a lot of traffic that we can pick up. Now I know what you're thinking, Alan, I don't have a website. I don't have a high authority website. So don't worry, I'm going to show you where you can go to actually use someone else's website and get a lot of this traffic, and also how to get this blog written up in just a few seconds. So what we now need to do is we need to take one of these keywords and do a quick Google search, which is going to help us get an article that we can recreate. So we know that Java Burn does extremely well and Java Burn reviews does really well. So we can copy that. Then what you want to do is you want to come straight over to Google and you want to type in Java Burn reviews. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to grab an article from the first page. So you can very easily scroll down and pick any of these articles. Obviously, there's some people that are running sponsored ads as well with this, so don't do any of those. Obviously, don't click onto the videos. So let's just say we wanted to click onto this article. Once you do that, it's going to bring you over to this page, and you can see that somebody has gone out and written a really good comprehensive article. Now, we're obviously not going to copy and paste this article, but we are going to use a similar article to what this person has done. And then what we are going to do is I'm going to show you how you can get this article to 4 separate high quality traffic platforms that's going to get you endless traffic to your affiliate links, guaranteed, if you follow the one secret strategy I'm going to show you at the end of this video that puts all this together. You don't want to miss it, and it's as simple as clicking one button. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to come over here, guys, and you want to copy this entire article. So you want to come over here and you want to copy this. Now what I want you to do is pay close attention, because this is where we are going to use ChatGPT to put all this together. So what you want to do is come over to ChatGPT, and this is the prompt that you want to give ChatGPT. You want to tell ChatGPT to recreate this article. You want to tell it to spin the text and make sure it doesn't sound like an AI article. Make it as a human has written it, and make it in a blog style post, okay? And then this is where you are going to paste that blog. So quite simply, what we're going to do is I'm going to just remove that. I'm going to do this. I'm going to hit Command V, and you can see here that that entire blog has now been put into ChatGPT. Now what you want to do is just hit this button, which is going to rewrite this entire article. And what ChatGPT is going to do, you can see here, it's going to rewrite everything. It's going to have all these amazing subheadings. It's even put in a call to action where we are going to add our own affiliate links. Now, once ChatGPT has finished doing all this, I'm going to show you the 4 amazing traffic sources that we're going to use to get free traffic, and you can recreate this every single day with any one of these affiliate marketing products that you can get on ClickBank. So now, as you can see, ChatGPT has rewritten this entire article, and I've just gone through it quickly, and it looks and sounds absolutely amazing. So what we now need to do is we need to use the 4 free traffic strategies, and the traffic strategies that we are going to be using is Medium, Quora, LinkedIn, and Reddit. And you're probably thinking, why? Well, there's a couple of reasons. Let me show you social proof that this absolutely does work, and this is exactly what I've been doing on these platforms. You see, if you come over to Google, once you put in Java Burn reviews and you scroll down, take a look at this. On the first page, you'll be able to find reviews that have been put up on platforms like LinkedIn. You're also going to be showing reviews that have been put up again on LinkedIn and Quora, and you're also going to find these reviews that have been put up on Medium. And if you go to the next few pages, you're also going to find reviews that are put up on Reddit as well. So these are people that are coming over here, putting up these very, very simple reviews, and they are getting free traffic, and these articles that you can rewrite in seconds are getting clicks onto these affiliate products, and they are making money with affiliate marketing. So what you want to do is you want to replicate this. You want to come over to Medium, you want to come over to Quora. With Quora, you can do it with Spaces, which is what I recommend. With LinkedIn, you can very easily put up articles, and then you can also do this on Reddit. I recently made a video on Reddit and LinkedIn that you can do this as well, and I'll link that at the end of this video. So what we want to do now is we want to come over to medium.com. This is the first platform that we're going to do this with, and you want to come up to the top. You can see here where it says write, and you want to click on to write. What you're going to do now is you're going to paste that entire article inside Medium. So what you want to do is come over to ChatGPT. You want to copy this title, come straight back over to Medium, and you want to paste that title. Now, the reason why we went and used an article from the first page is that the SEO would already be amazing. It would already have a Java burn in there several times, which is going to tell Google where to push this content, who's going searching for it when people type in Java burn reviews, etc. This article is going to pop up. As you can see, we're using Java burn immediately as the first few words inside the title. So now go back over to ChatGPT, and we are going to copy this entire article, and I'm also going to show you how you're going to add photos inside this as well. So come straight back over to here, and we are going to paste this, and you can see that this article looks absolutely amazing. And like I told you, this is where we are going to add our affiliate links. The beautiful thing about ChatGPT is that he's already included our call to action for us. So how are we going to add images to this to make this look even better? So you can see here what you can do when you're on Medium is you can tab down. Once you tab down, it's going to give you this plus option. So all you need to do is click onto this, and this is where it's going to allow you to add a few things. You can add videos from YouTube if you wanted to, and you can add images. What we're going to do is add images. Now, in order to add images, it's very easy. All you need to do is this. Quite simply, just come straight over to Google and type in Java burn and go down and click onto images. Now, Java burn has a heap of different types of images that you can get. All you need to do is scroll down and find images that don't have people's faces, that aren't thumbnails, that are purely product-based images. For example, like this image, you would click onto it, then you'd go to right mouse click, and then you would save this image to your computer. Very, very simple. So you'd find another one like this, right mouse click, and then you would save that to your computer. Then all you need to do is scroll down and find multiple products. Here is another one over here. Again, this is just Java burn, quite simply just the product, right mouse click, and save this to your computer. Once you've done that, you want to come back over to your article. I've already saved these images to save us some time. Now I'm going to add these. So if I come over here and click onto images, all I need to do now is come over to downloads, and I can grab the first image and I can click onto open. This is now going to add this image. Quite simply, I recommend adding 2 to 3 images. You don't need to add too many, but all you need to do is scroll down and add them. So again, over here, if I click onto enter, I'll come over here and click onto plus, go to images. Now I can click on the second one and I can add that there. You can see these images look absolutely amazing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add one more. Then I'm going to show you how we can add that affiliate link. So let's just add that one there. And all you would need to do, guys, is repeat this process. So now what we need to do is we need to finish this off by adding our affiliate marketing link. So quite simply, come straight back over to ClickBank. Go down the bottom again, grab your affiliate link by clicking on to promote. Make sure that you add your affiliate nickname up top, okay? Then copy this link. So we're going to copy that. We're going to come back over to Medium. And now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this. And you can see here that what you want to do is click onto this link icon over here. Once you've done that, you want to paste that in there and you want to hit enter. Now you can see that this is going to redirect to our offer. When somebody reads this, clicks onto it and purchases, we're going to make money with affiliate marketing, guys. And then all you need to do is repeat the process. Scroll down and find all of the call to actions that you've got. Now, if you find that you wanted more call to actions, you could very easily add them in there. I can see here that we have one over here. So all we need to do now is copy this. Okay, so we can copy that, scroll down, and we can click onto enter and we can paste that in there. Then what we can do is we can scroll down the bottom. We can click on to enter here. We can add it one more time here, and we can also add it at the bottom as well. So this is going to allow people to have multiple options to click onto this. Then what you will do is you would quite simply come over here and click on to publish. But before you do that, you would quite simply scroll down. You would copy all of this. And then what you would do is you would now come over to Quora. You would go over to your spaces. You would create a brand new space in the weight loss niche. And then what you would do is you would start putting up these different types of posts onto Quora. From there, what you will do is you would come over to LinkedIn. Once you're on LinkedIn, you also want to put up posts on LinkedIn. And in order to do that, it's really simple, guys. Once you set up your LinkedIn profile, you can see here, write article. Click onto write article, and it's as simple as copying that title and pasting that entire article inside LinkedIn. It is that simple. You can see here that you can upload images just like I did. Very, very simple from your computer. When it comes to Reddit, it is just as simple. You can see up top, you can create a post. Click on to create a post, and you can see here you can add your title and paste that in there. All these articles are going to allow you to give you the best opportunity to rank on Google. Now what you do, that you don't just post this one article once on these platforms, you would post this multiple times for this one product. Watch how simple this is. This is the secret that I said I was going to share with you. All you need to do now is come over to ChatGPT and say to ChatGPT, create 5 more articles just like this one, but change it around, and then just hit enter. ChatGPT now is going to give us 5 more articles just like it's creating now. As you can see, it's going, and it's going to, what we can do from there is that we can get these articles and just go straight back onto Medium and post all these 5 onto Medium, post all 5 of them onto Quora, post all 5 of them onto LinkedIn, and post all 5 of them onto Reddit. This is exactly what I've been doing and why I've been able, as you can see, today I've made $192, only a few days ago, $410, $630, and as you can see, multiple $100 days, and it's completely passive, guys. And you can do this again and again to make money with affiliate marketing. Like I said, as a complete beginner with completely free traffic, and you don't need any followers on these platforms because they have high authority. These articles, if they end up ranking, which a lot of them will, they don't need to be on the first page for you to get traffic. If you end up on the first page, I guarantee you are set to make hundreds of dollars. None of my articles are on the first page, and I'm still making hundreds of dollars a day in affiliate marketing commissions. Now, that's one way that you can make money with free traffic and affiliate marketing. But if you want to know what I'm doing to make 7 figures online utilizing free traffic, guys, what I recommend that you do right now to get my free course delivered to you today, all you need to do is go down the bottom and click onto definiteincome.com, which is in the description of this video. This is going to teach you a completely faceless strategy. You can do it faceless, you can do it using AI, you can recreate videos, or you can reuse videos, and you can make as much as $928 a day. This is only if you want to post 1 video a day, which is what we've been doing. All you need to do is go down the bottom and watch this video, click onto this link, and get this free course today. If you want to scroll down even further, you'll be able to see exactly how much money we've been able to make utilizing this strategy. Then you can also listen to real life testimonials of people that are in our coaching and mentoring group right now that are making serious money online, guys. All you need to do is go down the bottom, click onto definiteincome.com, and learn how to make money online utilizing affiliate marketing, digital marketing, free traffic, most importantly, and we even coach and mentor you every step of the way. If you want to know the best way to make money online in 2024 utilizing short form content, then make sure you go to definiteincome.com right now. Click onto that link in my description, guys, and grab that free course. Now, if you want to know another amazing free traffic strategy that can make you serious money online, make sure you click onto this video over here right now. I'll see you on that video. Until next time, you guys take care of yourselves, and goodbye.